So today I'm going to walk through some of the SAA specific styles that we've done for this project. You can see here there are icon cards, which are not always used with an icon, sometimes used without an icon. All right, we're going to go through this site building guide, SAA components section. So first we'll start with cards. So there's icon cards, and then there's text area faux cards, as we've been calling them, because they're not put in as actual cards, but they look like cards. So we'll start with the icon card. You can see with the icon and without. We have live examples here at the bottom. And the colored tags rotate automatically depending on how many are in a row, and from row to row it changes. You can use buttons and links inside the card. Now we'll move on to some of these other faux cards. So this is a vertical card. And when you have a sidebar navigation like this, we recommend only putting 1 or 2 cards rather than the max of 3, which you could fit better on the full screen width of a page. So this is an example with 1 card. You can see it looks pretty big this way. So for this case, I probably would recommend 2 cards. So it depends on what you're doing. Let's look at some horizontal cards. So this is our small square horizontal card. It walks you through how to add that. And this is what the live example looks like. We also have a version of this with a circle. And I'll show you that now. Yep. Now let's look at a large horizontal card. It's like this. So it's done with a media paragraph and then a text area paragraph. And the steps are below, but you can have the image on either side just by dragging it. So we've got the examples there. And also some other card styles that we have incorporated is this Cta List Style. So we've walked you through how to set that up, and this is what it looks like. You get better spacing than just using regular Cta links. And then we also have another bordered list style here. And you can link these, I believe, as well. So I've got instructions how to do that with the H5 heading. Now let's move on to hero banners. For the top hero banner, there's basically 3 variations. If you don't include an image, this is the fallback. With an image, and that's how it looks on mobile. And then if you don't put any text, you can just have a plain image banner. So that's using the banner at the top of the page when you edit the page. You'll see it separate from other banners. When you add a banner inside the page when you're building your content, then you have these options. So if you put an image, it should be a square image here, but if you put an image, it will use this layout. We've called this style the Testimonial Banner, but it could be used in a lot of different ways. The text is centered with the circle image. Now, if you don't include an image in the banner, then it will adopt these styles. So that's how you control the styles right now, is whether it has an image or not, it will adopt these 2 styles. You can see the live examples here. Now note that these normally stretch full width, but we're on a page with a sidebar navigation. So be mindful of that and how that changes the page you're looking at if you have this sidebar navigation on a specific page. All right, let's go down to text area. This is just a bunch of different text styles we have, headings, font styles. We added this checkmark style specific for this SAA subtheme, and also nice table styles. And on mobile, we have a label that says best viewed in landscape mode, I think, on phones only, so that they know that there's more to the table and they should rotate their phone. List styles, pretty classic. Then you can see the different kinds of link styles we have with these different icon options, classic buttons, and then buttons with icons as well. You can also see the secondary button with an icon and the big button. So those are all the button variations that we provide. I will real quick go over the main menu has been adjusted. So this is a regular looking menu out of the box. Now let's go look back at ours. You can see it's got a lot more black. The menu is left aligned. You can see this Stanford logo is up in the brand bar and not right here. And the search bar is square and doesn't have rounded corners. So those are some differences. You'll also see that we have styled the sidebar as well to adopt these similar styles that we have in the main menu. Okay, then I'm going to go over the footer adjustments. So for this project, all of these SAA websites on our Decor platform have this custom footer. And all these links are hard-coded into the theme right now so that they're updated in one place and apply to all the websites. So you can see we have these columns of links, these special links, and then these more legal links on the bottom. And of course the social media icons. And then we have documented how to request changes to any of those links. So that's all that we're going to preview today, but we've accomplished a lot of visual differences in this project, and it's gone really well.